50-ton extrusion machine. Suitable for making silver or copper or tin or aluminum wire or plate or rod. The operation of the machine is automatic. After each extrusion, new billets will be reloaded and start the next extrusion. Consists of 5 parts: extrusion cylinder, feeding system, hydraulic system, heating system and control system. The oil cylinder pushes the push rod forward, pushing the plate into the extrusion die head. The push rod continuesto extrude forward. After the material is pressed, the plate is extruded through the die. The extrusion machine is also suitable for various specifications metal rods and wires. You can click this video for more details. If you are interested, welcome to contact us.